Gewone merit. And that's why we're celebrating this remarkable man's 35th birthday in this exceptional style. When he asked me to come here tonight, I had another function. I put it back an hour, so it's going to start at 8 o'clock sharp, because I just had to be part of this party. Emo is everything that we dream of becoming in the Western Cape and in South Africa. He started his life very, very humbly with a dad who loved music and a few opportunities. But the big thing about Emo is that he represents talent meeting hard work. He used his opportunities. Hy het geleenthede gehad, hy het 'n pa gehad wat absoluut toegewyd is aan die ontwikkeling van sy talent, en toe het hy dit gebruik en hard gewerk. Maar vanaand het ons hierdie plek in hierdie ongelooflike deel van Kaapstad wat ek dink onderbedien is met sulke geleenthede. But when there is an opportunity, an enterprising person sees that opportunity and moves into it and fills the space available. And Emo has spent his entire life filling the space available. When he gets onto a stage, he fills it. When he gets into a room, he fills it. And yet he's got the most humble personality and gentle heart. And that's a very rare combination. Ek hou dat die plaas op, skink jy die Bybel en sê op Emo Adams en die All-Star Theatre, gelukkige verjaarsdag, en maak daar baie meer verjaarsdae in hierdie wonderlike plek. Baie dankie.